Continuing on with the note sheet from Friday. So we did a few of these here. We did one of these here. Natural logs. Ln of x equals y if and only if e to the y is equal to x. And we already did the first one here. Because when we matched it up, we got e to the x is equal to 6. Actually, I think we did the first several, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
So we're on to this here. So the next one we're going to look at is this here. Ln of 4 to the y equals d. So how would we rewrite this one here? E to the d 4 to the y. Because again, we're just going through or using the fact that the natural log of y equals x if and only if e to the x is equal to y. So the next one we're looking at is ln of 3a, 3 to the a is equal to e. So this would be what? E to the e equals 3 to the a. E to the e equals 3 to the a. Questions on this here? E to the e equals 3 to the a. So now, we're given the exponential. So e to the x equals y if and only if ln of y is equal to x. So how would we rewrite e to the 2x equals y? So ln of what? Almost. Because here, our main two are x and y, yes?
Oh, wait, would it be y instead?
So ln of y equals 2x. Okay. Now that seems a little weird, especially since x and y are in the general form and in the one we just used. Here we have e to the 57 equals z.
ln of z equals 57.
Ln of z equals 57. Yep. That's it. And if you notice, we're essentially doing the same thing we did with log, log. But instead of log and a base, it is the natural log, ln. E to the 9y equals 6. Ln of 6 equals, because e is our base. E is our base. So with log, it would be the number with it. But since it's e, ln is understood to have a base of e, so we don't have to write it in. E to the b equals 4. Ln of 4 equals b. Ln of 4 equals b.
Lightweight, David.
Wait, I have a question.
Yes.
Why did you put parentheses around the 4, not the 6?
Well,
You could.
yeah, we can.
Doesn't matter.
It's just
Here, it doesn't matter. Because ln of, say, 6 plus 3, really what this is saying without the parentheses is this. If there's no parentheses put, this is what it really means. Ln of 6, that quantity plus 3.
Like 7 times ln times
If we want to signify that the 6 and 3 are put together, they're contained, then we have to put parentheses around it. So if there's no parentheses, just the term after it is a part of the natural log. Whatever is beyond that is not. So any questions on this so far? Now log, whenever there's no base written with log, it's what we call the common log, common logarithm. And the common logarithm's base is base 10. So here we really have log base 10, or we can just say log of 8. And we want to calculate this out. Now, it doesn't matter which calculator we grab. We can grab either one of them. Because our log button on either one,
Actually, I want the smaller one. No, I just. Hey, slam it down.
so log of 8 is 0.90308997. So, 0.9301. So we're going to go, I normally go 4 decimal places. I think this year is asking for 3. So if you go 3 or 4 decimal places. Questions on the first one? Natural log of 0.3. Log of 0.3, natural log of 0.3 is, yeah, I said the first one again. So natural log of 0.3 is negative 1.2039 or negative 1.2040. So we'll round it to the 4th or 3rd decimal place. Since the 4th decimal place for this was a 9, the one after that was a 7, so the 7 rounded the 9 to 10, which rounded again. Questions on this here? Log of 98. Yes. 1.9912. Yep.
Well, were we supposed to be rounding it? If we already.
Yeah.
No, I lied.
991. Yep. Questions on this here?
No. Wait, we're not rounding.
Well, we're rounding to 3rd decimal place, so it really should be here. 2 points.
But will we round that 5 to 6? Okay.
Because 3rd decimal place would be rounding to here, and since the 2 is less than 5, because the 5 would be the 2nd decimal place.
3.676.
That's it.
Wait, what are those numbers?
Questions on these here? Let's do one more. Let's see. Log of 8 plus 3.
3.930.
I just added it.
Oh, it's different.
Because, again, if there's no parentheses around both numbers, it's understood to just be the first.
Okay.
So the way that it was written, log of 8 plus 3, it's the first one.
Oh, what?
Because to signify, because what the second one is log parentheses 8 plus 3, close parentheses. It takes it as 1. But
There's no parentheses, it's 8 parentheses plus 3.
because if the parentheses aren't there, it's understood that it's just around the 8, not the plus 3. Yep. So this would be 3.9031. I don't like the fact that that is common notation because it is confusing. But if I wanted to signify that it was both 8 plus 3, it would have to be written like this here. We have the parentheses around both. But that's it.